What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look. It's a coppery, smoky, reddish vibe going on. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the MAC Strobe Cream. I used this in my last video, but it's such a good primer for that glowy, dewy skin. I'm going to be putting this all over my skin this time. For some extra hydration, I'm going to be applying the Smashbox Primer Oil. This is a great primer for dry skin. So now that the skin is prepped, I'm going to be applying foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible. But to give it a little bit of a dewiness, I'm going to be applying the MAC Face and Body Foundation. And this is kind of going to water down your foundation and make it like nice and dewy. This is literally what I do. Like, I literally just pat it all over my face and then I blend it out. And then usually like I'll rub whatever is on my fingers and on my hand. I rub it with the Beauty Blender. Now with my Sonia Kashuk Marble Sponge, I'm just gonna blend that out. For concealer, I'm gonna be applying the Born This Way. This is also the same concealer I used in my last video, but you guys, it's just so good. Literally, I'm so obsessed. I want to try the new Fenty concealer just so I can see like how I like it and how it works for me. But everyone is saying that shit is so bad. It's like so dry and it creases. So I don't know. I never really tried her foundation. As soon as I heard that it's more matte, I stood so far away from it because my skin is just so dry. Alright, so now I'm blending that out with the same Sonia Kashuk sponge. And I'm going to be using the Pinky Rose Contour Palette. And this is what it looks like. There's so many bomb shades in here. And this thing was only $13, guys. I got this from Riley Rose when I went to Miami. And I really wish they had a Riley Rose in New York. I'm not sure if they do, but if they do, I literally will go there every day because I love Riley Rose. I'm going to be using this color to contour, and I like to highlight with this color. I know I'm so extra. I use literally the lightest color to highlight and the darkest color to contour, but whatever. And a lot of people tend to like bring their contour down, but I say keep it more up because you want to lift your cheekbone. You don't want to bring your face down. So you see how I applied it so high? That's literally going to lift my cheekbone. And then of course putting a little bit on my forehead. And literally I look so crazy right now, but I promise everything is going to come together. If your makeup looks like shit halfway through, don't get discouraged because makeup is a process and it's not supposed to look perfect the second you put it on. Everything has to come together. It's like a painting. So you see that blended in so fast and so easy. After I cream contour, I like to highlight. And I'm just going to take my sponge and dip it into that highlighting color and I'm going to apply it. Because I really love a bright under eye. I feel like it just makes a huge difference. And then I like to hit the bottom a little bit to really make that contour pop. So before I set everything, I'm going to contour my nose with the cream contour. I'm just going to use this really small definer brush from MAC. And I'm just going to kind of outline where I want to contour, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. Blending that out with the same sponge. To set my under eye area, I'm going to be using the Dermablend powder. We're going to bake this time. literally going in with the setting powder. The only way your makeup is gonna last is if you set your face. When I used to work at MAC, people would always come and be like, oh, like my makeup is not lasting, it's not lasting all day, it's coming off, whatever. And I'm like, do you set your face? And they're like, oh no, I don't like powder. And I'm like, girl, you have to set your face. So now I'm going to be using MAC's Give Me Sun and a MAC 135 brush. And I'm just going to go right in and bronze the skin. And this is a great brush for a bronzer. I know Morphe has one very similar. Okay, so I'll usually do foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and then I'll do brows. Me and brows just don't get along. We're gonna try to get through this because brows literally take me forever. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Brow Tamer. I've had this product for quite some time and it really just came out with their new like brow blade and stuff like that. So this is gonna set them in place, add a little bit of color, and you know, prep our brows for what's about to go down. Now what I always use to do my brows is like a type of gel or like a cream, because powder is like a little bit too basic for me and pencil just runs out super fast. So I usually use the MAC Fluidline Brow Gel Cream, and I'll just use a small angled brush and I will outline my brows. So I kind of just drew a line underneath my brow right there. And then I like to go down and kind of create an arch from the bottom. I know it sounds complicated, but my brows are all over the place, so that's why I have to like overline my brows, because they're kind of sparse, but they also, the hair grows in like different places. Do you see how I have like a gap right there? I like to just kind of darken that with some of the gel. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna feather the front so that it has a nice fade to it. So now as you can see, this brow looks a lot better than this one. It just looks a lot more clean. Sometimes I'll clean it up depending on how messy I did it, or like how rushed I was, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. And then I'm just gonna brush the hairs up again so that everything is going in one direction. So now you can see one brow is done. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and then I will be right back. Going into this color right here on the outer corner and on the inner corner. With the same blending brush, I'm going to be applying this color right on top. And I'm going to start to just kind of blend those two together. Now I'm taking a MAC 217 and I'm going to take this kind of dark brown color and I'm going to go in on both sides again. And taking the first blending brush and then just blending that out. And you always want to make sure to have a really light hand. I like to hold the brush towards the end of the bristle and then it's all in the wrist. You just want to kind of like flick your wrist. Look at that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Barely touching my eye. You don't want to press too hard. You really just want to let the brush do all the blending for you. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and spray some setting spray. This color right here. Take the flat blending brush and then just kind of diffuse the color. And then with my finger, I'm going to take this lighter color right here. You see I'm just kind of pressing that right in the center. Alright, now I'm going to take an angled brush and any type of black gel liner. Apply that on the bottom as well. And just smudge the lower lash line. For the glitter, I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Glue. I'm going to tap the glue into the center of the eyeshadow. I picked up the glitter with my finger and I'm just going to apply it. Okay, so the eyes are now done. I did get a little bit of mascara here, but we're going to clean that up when it dries. Now I'm going to be applying highlighter. So I always spray some setting spray before. With my Morphe M501 brush, I'm going to take this color from the palette. Apply that to my cheekbones. For lips, I think I'm going to do a red lip. So I'm going in with the Manuel lip pencil in the color Bombshell. Then I'm going to be taking the MAC RetroMatte liquid lipstick in the color Feels So Grand. Oh my god, I forgot lashes. Oh my god, I was literally going to end this look and forget lashes. So for lashes, I don't know if I want to do these or these. But I think I'm going to do these because they're a little bit more natural. So these are from Ardell. They're the Faux Mink. They definitely need to be cut. So I'm going to go get a scissor. Look at the difference that lashes make. Okay, so lashes are on, and that, you guys, is the end of this video. If you like this look, please make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next one. This is the finished look, guys. Mom, really? Alright, so